Welcome back to another crypto video. What's good, everyone? Thank you for hopping back in to another video. Today we're going to check out the graph, a bit of a follow-up video to the last one. We're going to look at some news, a bit of technical analysis, and yeah, if you're new here, do smash that subscribe button. Make sure you leave a comment down below and say hello. Also, do one awesome thing, join the Discord. You're gonna really like it in there. It's down in the description below, completely free to join, so make sure you do join that channel. So the Graph Advocates program has launched to grow the community of Web3 contributors. So the Graph Foundation is delighted to announce the launch of its highly anticipated advocacy program, Graph Advocates. This program is a community-led and community-driven initiative serving as a portal into Web3 for people all across the world. Once accepted, advocates will have the unique opportunity to make important contributions that will directly impact local communities, the Web3 mission, and the future of the Graph ecosystem. The Foundation looks forward to seeing many of these Graph advocates grow to be the future leaders within the Graph. So really nice to see this particular collaboration and, you know, to build a decentralized network of public data with a decentralized ecosystem of contributors like so. So this is some really bullish news looking ahead for the future. Very nice to see that. And of course, we've also got the Graph Foundation, which allocates $1.72 million in Wave 4 grants. So a lot of funding, a lot of money going into the project and the development side of things. So the Graph trading at $0.49, we're up since the last video. Looks really good. A whopping 12.5% impulse for the day. Rank 50. I am bullish. I am bullish. 3 billion market cap with a total supply of 10 billion. Not fully diluted yet, but we've got 6.15 billion in circulation. We can see on that 30 days we're only down 16.2%. So we're slowly rising, looking pretty good. And on the 24-hour, like I say, that 12.5%. Flying high, guys. So you might want to buckle up, get that spacesuit on, because we're heading to the moon. It's going to be hard to breathe up there. Look at this. We have literally broken out of these resistance levels at 0.34, which we were talking about just yesterday. We flipped that into support now, and this particular resistance up here still holds high, and it still proves to be a big area that we are probably going to challengingly face. It's not going to be too easy. We're not going to fly there. But if we hop into that daily time frame, we see we're not overbought on the RSI. There's no bearish divergence, and it looks pretty good. We're just a bit overextended on that, you know, that 20-day moving average. But the very important thing is we've broken this massive resistance here, so it might be the beginning of a brand new uptrend for the graph. If we go into the 4-hour time frame, see what we're getting. We're getting impulse, consolidation, impulse. Now we want a bit more consolidation around this particular area. On the 2-hour time frame, you can see that we're putting through those higher lows and also those higher highs at the same time. So the momentum is key. We're not getting a lot of volume, but on this particular time frame, we do see that bearish divergence where we're getting the lower highs on the RSI, but we're getting the higher highs on the pricing. So there could be a bit of an indicator that we might get sort of a pullback for the time being. Maybe we're going to retest a 0.34 support zone before moving back up to target 0.44 over here, which I would like to see potentially happen. Another really key thing to look out for is the volume. And the volume, we're getting a bit of a spike, but it's nothing to, you know, write home about. It's nothing crazy. On the 30 minutes, we're just seeing more of that information that we just saw a minute ago. So if we can break through and, you know, consolidate here, perhaps push to $0.4, I think that'd be very good. On the daily time frame, if we can hold this particular level here, right here, that's also going to be really strong for the graph. So my long-term target over the next week or two is $0.44, and the bearish sentiment would be $0.34. We retest this support level. I don't think we're going to break this support level now because it's looking super strong, and of all that good news that we were just talking about, it looks like crypto is headed in the right direction once again. So hold on, dollar cost average when you can. Don't chase the green candles. Wait to see what's going to happen here, guys, because we still don't know if this is just going to be another dead cat bounce. Maybe it can come back down to even 0.3. We really don't know. But what we do know is the market cap is relatively low at 3 billion. It's only ranked 50, and it has much potential to grow. Long-term growth opportunity is super high on the graph, very bullish. I think, you know, if it goes to our weekly time frame, we've got some very, very big targets, even, you know, in the long term things in the next bull market, or even at the end of this one. $3.20 is also a very, very realistic opportunity, which would be around a 10 times, so around 25 billion market cap, which is relatively small compared to the entire market cap of, you know, cryptocurrency. So that's about a wrap, guys. If you like the video, make sure you smash that like button, leave a thumbs up, comment down below, join the Discord. Please do join the Discord. And I also just wanted to give a bit of time to say thank you to the 4 patrons. If you want to become a patron, you can also subscribe to that. Price of a coffee, you'll get one-on-one messaging. You'll also receive an ebook from myself, premium Discord access, and more exclusive content as well, guys. So make sure you do, you know, join the channels. See you there.